Want to land a job as a data analyst but don't know how to showcase your skills? Well, the answer lies in building right projects. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 powerful projects from Excel and SQL to Python and Power BI that will not only boost your resume but will also impress the recruiters. Stay till the end of the video and I'll also reveal where you can find datasets to practice. Now let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to WS Cube Tech channel. My name is Ayushi Jain, and guys, in this video we'll be discussing about 5 data analytics projects that will help you land a job. First of all, before we get started, if you are a data enthusiast and want to join a channel which not only gives you information about the latest job update but gives you information about curated podcasts, masterclasses, quizzes, cheat sheets, notes, and so much more, then join our WS Cube Tech's WhatsApp channel. The link of it is given in our description. Check it out now. Now, first tool which I'm going to discuss over here is Excel. After you have completed learning Excel, then in that case, you can get started with a financial analysis dashboard. In case of Excel, most of the companies who are into financial analysis, they utilize Excel. Whenever it comes to a domain of finance, they prefer using Excel above all the other tools, and therefore having a financial dashboard is really very helpful. In this case scenario, you can download your own expenses from the last 2 years, 3 years, or maybe a couple of months as well if you're spending a lot, and then you can perform financial analysis on that how you can optimize them and create an entire dashboard as well, which reflects everything about your expenses which you have made in the last couple of years. So that could be a good project idea. Also, you can create any of the other projects which is again related to financial background. Here the data sets which you can use, you can also pull these data sets from Kaggle as well. Those will be also really helpful. You can pick a banking data set or a loan data set as well. This is where you can create a project on Excel dashboard. Here, utilize Excel to clean your data, use Power Query Editor to clean it, use pivot tables and charts to create the dashboard, make it interactive by using slicers and timelines. If you have multiple pages of dashboards and reports, you can also integrate navigational buttons in your dashboard so that you can navigate from one page to another to make it look much more better and interactive. So these are a couple of ideas in case of Excel. Next tool over here is SQL, another very important tool when it comes to data analysts and jobs related to data analysts. Over 90% of the jobs ask for SQL, and therefore showcasing its skill through a project is really very important. In the case of SQL, I would recommend to choose a dataset of sales or e-commerce where you can showcase multiple of the tables. So where you can showcase your concepts related to joins, CTs, where you can find monthly revenue trend or yearly revenue trend, monthly revenue growth, yearly revenue growth, or you can find the regions with the highest of the sales, top performers in case of sales, top products based on different regions or categories as well. So these are the different kinds of questions which you can solve where you will be utilizing joins, CDs, subqueries, window functions, and so much more, so that everything can be showcased in one single project. But just make sure whichever dataset you are picking, it should have at least 5 to 7 files. Next comes your Power BI or Tableau, that means your visualization tool. Now before we move forward, if you are a data enthusiast and planning to make your career in data analytics, then WS Cube Tech has launched a data analytics mentorship program whose new cohort is going to start soon. If you want to be a part of this cohort, then the link to this cohort is given in our description. Check it out now. When it comes to visualization tool, guys, go creative. Pick a project of different domain. Any domain you can choose, whether it is e-commerce, healthcare, hospitality, airlines project, or even it is related to sports, IPL, FIFA, anything you can project where you can literally go creative with the visuals and also with the other things as well. So here again, for in case of Power BI and Tableau, I would suggest a data set which you can pick from Kaggle, or you can pick the data set from even Analytics as well. We also have data.government.in, data.gov.in, from which you can pull the data sets, but I wouldn't recommend this particular website for your Power BI projects. For Power BI projects, you can go to Kaggle. You can also check out Maven Analytics data playground as well, where you can find different kinds of data sets which contains data about different domains as well. So yeah, you can check them out too. And here you'll be finding some good data sets on which you can create projects in Power BI or Tableau. Your fourth project can be based on Python, where you can perform exploratory data analysis using libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. And then based on whatever data you are picking, you can create some forecast analysis as well. You can do some forecasting as well, which could include a little bit of machine learning, or you can go for any kind of fraud detection projects as well, or loan approval projects as well, where you can utilize Python along with machine learning. So you should have one good project on Python and machine learning as well right now, because the market is competitive. If you are someone who knows Python, then I would definitely recommend to go with Python's EDA. That means creating a project using exploratory data analysis and then creating a machine learning algorithm in order to predict something. My last recommendation for the last project would be based on web scraping, sentimental analysis, and automation. Right now, in lots of industries, they are asking for you to know automation as well. For automation, again, you can utilize Python. Here, I'll give you a good project idea. You can go to websites which are based on job portals. You can automate the procedure of pulling data every day, and then it would pull the data of all the jobs which are posted on that particular day of any specific domain, will create a PDF or will create a CSV file for you and would send it to someone to a mail. You can also set up all these things that it should do it on everyday procedures. So that is how you can create your automation project. So that is also another recommendation which I have. Now here, having automation is really very important, as currently a lot of industries are asking for it, that you should have a good knowledge on automation, as they don't want you to do the manual tasks. They want you to know how automation works, so that you can create one project at one time, and then later you just have to monitor it. You don't have to do the things over and over again. So these were my 5 project recommendations. You can also create projects with the combination of tools as well. Like you can utilize SQL and Python together, SQL or Power BI together, Python and Power BI together. So these are also one of the options where you can use 2 to 3 tools in one project. That is also one really good way to showcase your skills. But if you want to create separate projects on each of the different tools, here are some of the examples. Now for the datasets, as I have discussed, that Kaggle is one of the best websites where you can go to. Not just Kaggle, you can find datasets on Maven Analytics, or you can go to data.gov.in as well, where you can find datasets too. You can also go for some data challenges posted by different websites like Workout Wednesday is there, or even Maven Analytics. They also keep on posting challenges every month. So you can participate in such challenges. They give you with a good datasets and a good questions as well, which you need to solve using any of the tools, and that's how you can improve your analytical skills. Make sure while you're creating these projects, also keep posting them on LinkedIn, so that it can also help you build a personal brand. I hope in this video we are clear with all the different ideas for the projects which you can create. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel WS Cube. Thank you.